Please help the victims of Hurricane Sandy.
What are these white stuff?
We're having a project, Hurricane Sandy. A lot of people died from it.
How are we gonna help the victims of Hurricane Sandy?
Help the victims of Hurricane Sandy by donating money. We can help the victims of Hurricane Sandy by donating cans of food.
We can help the victims of Hurricane Sandy by donating clothes. We can help the victims of Hurricane Sandy by offering them a safe place to stay.
We can help the victims of Hurricane Sandy by donating shoes.
We can help the victims of Hurricane Sandy by donating toys for the kids.
Everyone, please do not touch. It's $2. Oh wait, want this? It's for $1. I don't know. I think it's $1. Yeah, it's $2. What do you mean? What's out $2?
You were a victim of Hurricane Sandy. How would you feel if you were a victim of Hurricane Sandy?
Please help the victims of Hurricane Sandy.
Please be generous in your donations, because if you help others, Allah will help you. Hurricane Sandy made me feel bad because the houses were destroyed. Hurricane Sandy made me feel upset about the people, the victims in Hurricane Sandy because they don't have any clothes or food.
And I feel so bad for them, and I want to help them so they can come back to their life.
Say